three of the most common deductions are mileage, so if we're driving a vehicle, a deduction for having a home office, and a deduction for mills. So if we have a vehicle we use for the business, you can either keep track of your total expenses for the vehicle, your gas, your maintenance, maybe you bought new tires, or you can track how many miles you travel in the vehicle. And you can take either your actual expenses or the IRS gives you a standard rate per mile you drive. This last year it was 67 cents a mile. It's wise to track both. Mileage is definitely simpler, but if we can maximize tax savings, that's always great. The other is a home office. This doesn't just mean we work from home sometimes. This is a dedicated space we have in the home that we use primarily, almost exclusively for the business. The home office, there's a standard rate. It's $5 a square foot, or we can keep track of our expenses. So we can keep track of utilities for our home. We can keep track of the interest we pay on the home, and then we can take a portion of that based off the square footage of the office relative to the home. The last one is mills. Mills are only deductible if we are traveling, so we're away from home on a business trip or have to travel overnight for work. We also can deduct it if it is a business meeting or if we're meeting with clients. In 2022, they changed it so we can only take 50% of our mill expense rather than 100%, but it is still a deduction